Welcome to our final module, where we'll explore guidelines for using generative AI responsibly and ethically in your academic work. As these powerful tools become more integrated into education, understanding how to use them appropriately is an essential skill for today's students. When using Gen AI for your coursework, you're navigating a balance between leveraging helpful tools and maintaining academic integrity. The key is transparency and appropriate use, knowing when and how to use AI assistance and being honest about it. Just as you would cite a book or website, it's important to acknowledge when you've used AI tools in your academic work. Many instructors now require an AI declaration on assignments, which might look something like this. For this assignment, I used ChatGPT to help brainstorm topic ideas and receive feedback on my draft. All final content reflects my own understanding and analysis. Being transparent builds trust with your instructors and helps them provide appropriate guidance and feedback. Here are scenarios where using Gen AI is generally appropriate: brainstorming ideas and exploring topics, getting explanations of concepts you're struggling with, receiving feedback on drafts you've written, practicing through sample questions and answers, organizing information you've already researched, improving your writing structure and clarity. In these cases, AI serves as a learning aid rather than a substitute for your own work. Conversely, here are situations where using Gen AI would be inappropriate: generating complete assignments that you submit as your own work, using AI to answer exam questions during a test, having AI complete your portion of group work without informing teammates, asking AI to solve problems without attempting to understand the solution, creating content for graded work that you haven't reviewed or don't understand. These uses undermine the learning process and may violate your school's academic integrity policies. Educational institutions are developing specific policies regarding AI use. It's your responsibility to familiarize yourself with your school's AI and academic integrity policies, ask your instructors about their expectations for specific assignments. When in doubt, err on the side of disclosure. Be open about how you've used AI. Understand that policies may vary between courses and assignments. Some assignments may specifically prohibit AI use, while others might encourage it as part of the learning process. When using Gen AI for academic work, consider these documentation practices. Save your conversations with AI tools for reference. Keep notes on how AI suggestions influenced your thinking. Be specific in your AI declarations about which parts of your work involved AI assistance. Maintain drafts that show your work's evolution. Good documentation helps demonstrate your learning process and makes your use of AI tools transparent. Remember that Gen AI is not always accurate. Develop the habit of critically evaluating AI generated content. Verify facts and information from reliable sources. Question explanations that seem too simple or don't make sense. Be wary of biased perspectives or one sided arguments. Check mathematical calculations and technical information. Look for logical inconsistencies or gaps in reasoning. Critical evaluation is both an academic skill and a way to ensure the quality of your work. Let's look at a responsible approach to using Gen AI for a class presentation. 1. You brainstorm initial topic ideas with AI but choose the final topic yourself based on your interests. 2. You research key facts from reliable sources, not just AI generated information. 3. You draft your own presentation outline and ask AI for feedback on structure. 4. You write your speaking notes, incorporating some AI suggestions for clarity. 5. You practice with AI by having it generate potential audience questions. 6. In your submission, you include a note about how you used AI in your process. 7. Your final presentation reflects your understanding and voice. This approach uses AI as a tool while maintaining your ownership of the work. As AI tools continue to evolve, It's valuable to develop your own philosophy about how you'll use them. Consider how AI can enhance your learning rather than replace it. Reflect on which tasks benefit most from AI assistance and which you should complete independently. Think about how AI tools fit with your educational goals and career aspirations. Recognize that responsible AI use is part of digital citizenship in today's world. Your approach may evolve as both the technology and your skills develop. As we conclude this series on Gen AI for education, remember that these powerful tools work best when they enhance rather than replace your learning. By using Gen AI responsibly and ethically, you're developing valuable skills for both your academic journey and your future career. The responsible use of AI is an evolving conversation. Stay informed about policies, be transparent about your use, and always prioritize your authentic learning and development. By doing so, you'll maximize the benefits of these tools while maintaining your academic integrity. Thank you for joining us in exploring how to use generative AI effectively and responsibly in your education. We hope that this video series has been beneficial for you as you figure out how to use generative AI effectively, efficiently, and responsibly.